In this video, we will show you how to create a checkbox on Google Sheet and using the checkbox to create some validation. First, to create a checkbox on Google Sheets, you can select some cell. For example, I choose this cell, and we can select data menu in here and choose data validation. Then, for criteria, please select checkbox. And in here, I will using custom cell values for true and false. And we can click save. Whenever user check this checkbox, it gives true values. And if don't check, it's false. To create some validation, for example, let's make if user check this checkbox, in here will appear 100, and if uncheck, it will appear 0. To do that, we can using conditional statement using if in the cell is true, then in here we can just using value if true is 100 and if false is 0. We can click tab in here. Okay, we can make this center, and if user check this, it will appear 100, and if don't check is 0. And that's all tutorial how to create a checkbox and using as validation. Hope this video helpful for you.